Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, May 8, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, early bird today.
Morning, David. Just trying to beat the rush. The coffee line gets wild later. You?
Needed something strong. My inbox looked like a war zone this morning.
That bad, huh?
Let's just say if unread emails were enemies, I'd need backup. Anyway, did you catch the news about Ukraine and NATO?
A little. Something about Sweden and Finland again?
Close, but this time it's about Ukraine moving closer to full NATO membership. Apparently, there's a new plan to fast-track their entry.
Oh, wow. That's gonna stir things up with Russia for sure.
Exactly. It's like poking the bear with a stick made of politics.
I get the strategy, security and unity and all that. But the timing is sensitive. Russia's still very active in the East.
Yeah, and with the US election coming up, everything's under the microscope. Clients in Europe are already nervous.
I'm not surprised. Political tension like that always shakes the markets. Even project timelines get affected.
Tell me about it. I had a call with our German partners yesterday. They're reviewing all contracts that involve Eastern European suppliers.
That makes sense. They have to hedge their bets. If the region becomes more unstable, logistics will be a nightmare again.
Feels like 2022 all over again, just in a different format.
Let's hope it doesn't get that far. But still, from a project perspective, we have to build in more flexibility.
You mean more chaos, right?
Exactly. Controlled chaos if we're lucky.
Speaking of changes, have you seen what Amazon just announced about AI integration?
No, what now?
They're launching a new AI platform for business tools. It's supposed to streamline internal operations, kind of like Microsoft Copilot, but for Amazon services.
Interesting. So AI is moving from fancy chatbots to actual business workflows.
Yep. The idea is that employees can use natural language to automate reports, summarize meetings, even generate sales forecasts.
Okay. Now that I'd like, especially if it can summarize meetings, I spend half my day writing follow-ups.
Same. If this thing works, it could cut admin work in half. But part of me wonders, are we just creating another layer of tech headaches?
Possibly. If it's not integrated well, it'll just be another tool people ignore or misuse.
True. And I've seen it before. People rely too much on automation and stop checking the details.
That's risky, especially in sales. One wrong number in a quote and boom. Goodbye, client.
Exactly. It's helpful, but you still need someone with common sense reviewing the output.
Still, if it works, it could help teams like ours be more agile. Fewer routine tasks, more time for strategy.
Yeah. Though knowing my luck, I'll automate everything and then get pulled into 10 new meetings to brainstorm line.
Huh, that sounds about right. AI saves time, and managers find ways to fill it.
It's the circle of corporate life.
That should be our team motto.
Agreed. We'll get t-shirts made.
By the way, speaking of change, have you seen that viral campaign from the Met Gala?
Yes. The outfits were wild again this year.
Totally. But did you see the one everyone's talking about? The dress made entirely of recycled smartphone parts?
Yes. That was impressive. It was more than fashion. It was a statement.
Exactly. It touched on sustainability, tech waste, and creativity all in one. Kind of refreshing to see a deeper message on that carpet.
It sparked a big debate online too. Some people loved it, others said it was just another PR stunt.
Yeah? But even if it was a stunt, it got people talking. And honestly, tech waste is a huge issue.
Totally. We all upgrade our phones so often, but nobody really thinks about where the old ones end up.
Or who has to take them apart. Most of the recycling is done in terrible conditions overseas.
Right. It's not just a tech issue, it's a social and environmental one too.
Makes me think twice about the spare phone I've got in my drawer.
Same here. I might finally recycle it properly. There's a program here in the building, I think.
Really? That's good to know. We should share that in the team chat.
Let's do it. If fashion can raise awareness, we can do our part with a few clicks.
Also, the dress did look cool. Kind of sci fi princess vibes.
Totally. If I ever go to a gala, I want a dress that glows.
You'd be the star of the night. I'd show up in a suit made of conference badges.
That's actually genius. Corporate couture.
Coming soon to a break room near you.
Okay, back to reality. Time to face the rest of the emails.
Same here. Let's see how many quick questions are waiting for me.
The classic. No question is ever quick.
Truest thing I've heard all day. All right, catch you later?
Same time tomorrow.
You know it. See you, Alex.
Time to get to work. Practice your English every day and you'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. I hope you have a great day.